Welcome. The following Unity Living, Effortless Living Affirmations, the 8th and final set in this series, will assist you with using your thoughts and words optimally so you may receive the profound benefits of this particular transmission by doing so. Feel free to repeat after each sentence fragment of each affirmation, either aloud or inwardly. Let's prepare the body now to enter into the state of contemplation or meditation. As you take a comfortable seated position, gently close your eyes. Allow the spine to elongate from its base up to the top of your head, and follow the breath as you breathe in and out, and in and out. Feel the body loosen and relax, layer by layer, as you allow it to melt into the seat beneath you. As you continue to follow the breath in and out, and as you allow it to release more and more and more into the seat beneath you, double or even triple the level of relaxation in your body. With every in-breath and out-breath, know that your intention to contemplate the following affirmations helps keep your vibration high and your thoughts aligned with your divine purpose. And so we begin. I am the light. I am the love. I am the truth. I am. With every in-breath and out-breath, I am grateful for the attainment of this final transmission from unity. And I invite and allow for an effortless life, where the way is always free and clear, and where I manifest abundance in all its forms, at will and with ease. I am the light. I am the love. I am the truth. I am. I am joy. I am bliss. I am that I am. And anything that is not that which I am will present itself immediately for release. With my gratitude for having served its purpose. I am the light. I am the love. I am the truth. I am. With every in-breath and out-breath, I acknowledge, address, and surrender deeper and deeper layers of dysfunctional, unconscious patterns as they present themselves for release. With my gratitude for having served their purpose, I am the light. I am the love. I am the truth. I am. I rejoice in the gift of this transmission, as I can now manifest and enjoy my perfect life. I manifest it through clear vision and the will of my divine, authentic, transparent self and higher self, and experience ongoing expansion, enlightenment, joy, and supreme bliss. I am the light. I am the love. I am the truth. I am. And with every in-breath and out-breath, I am that. I am. I am the light. I am the love. I am the truth. I am. And with every in-breath and out-breath, I am that. I am. I am the light. I am the love. I am the truth. I am. And with every in-breath, and out-breath, I am that. I am. Continue to ride the breath in and out of your body. Remember to always be aware of your words and your thoughts, which are just as powerful as your words, if not more so. Speak in the affirmative and in the present tense, as the universe hears only the positive. Avoid saying, I don't like, as the universe hears, I like, and as a result, what you don't like is sent to you. Avoid saying, I want. It will keep you in a perpetual state of wanting and therefore not receiving in the present now. Know that your positive intentions and affirmations have been heard by the universe and will manifest accordingly. Let's prepare now to return to the room. With a deep sense of gratitude, bring your attention back to your body. Feel it energize as it becomes filled with the light of your awareness. When you open your eyes, you will return feeling refreshed and invigorated, more aligned with your higher purpose and your higher self, and more positive than ever. And now, gently open your eyes. Welcome to our new Unity Consciousness Earth and the limitless possibilities it holds. Adonai.